Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So as you can see, we have a list here, and here we are printing B. So the correct output of this code is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. And this is quite important because of this. So this is the code, and here we need to understand this part. So first of all, here in a comma star b, a is simply going to get the value of 1. This is called unpacking. So a is equal to 1, and this is called extended unpacking. We are using asterisk b, and here asterisk is called the unpacking operator, or you can also call it extended unpacking. What is going to happen is that the remaining elements will be going to be inserted in b. That's why b became 2, 3, 4, and 5, which explains the output.